In the heart of tranquility, a bearded sage sits in silent meditation. Attired in the timeless garb of a monk, his stillness is a stark contrast to the flurry of action unfolding before him. A spectral figure, a ghostly echo of the martial artist himself, manifests the artistry of kung fu. Each move, each strike, each graceful pirouette, executed with the precision of a master. This is not a mere physical pursuit, it's a dance of the mind, a testament to the power of focus and discipline. It's a ballet of strength, agility, and purpose born from the fires of dedication. In this serene garden, by the side of a babbling brook, the old and the new merge, bridging the gap between the physical and the spiritual. Kung Fu, in its purest form, is not just a martial art, it's a philosophy, a way of life. As the apparition continues its dance, remember this is not magic, it's the power of the mind that can move mountains, can certainly control a ghostly apparition. And as the loop begins anew, the dance continues, an eternal testament to the power of the human spirit.